Give me 1 minute, Neil. I gotta throw this trash out real quick, okay?
British are the best. Just face it.
No, British battleships aren't bad, but like early tier British battleships aren't bad, but like later on they just suck balls compared to everything else.
Listen, everyone has what they're good at, alright? Every country has like,
Yeah.
oh, I'm really good at this for this century, and the next one's like, oh, no, I gotta beat you.
Now, like once you start getting around tier 9, tier 10, like the tier 8, tier 9, tier 10, the British are just kind of like outclassed.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah, each had their like century of like, I'm the badass, because everyone has it, and then they're like,
King George is a really good ship, but then like after that, Jesus Christ, man. Fucking
yeah,
shit's not even
Jesus,
going in the
you
trash
do
can
see
anymore.
Jesus after that. Anything after that is just like,
But like once the Iowa shows up, the Iowa just down. Yeah. Even the Bismarck just absolutely just annihilates most things.
Fair.
Bismarck. Something else. That's a monster.
I mean, don't get me wrong. The Japanese have their own problems with their wooden decks and the fact that they're pretty much sniper battleships. But like, yeah, British are pretty bad at the game.
I'm not shocked.
You're not short. That's crazy.
No, shocked. I'm very short, actually. I'm 5 foot nothing.
5 foot nothing. So 5 foot. You're small as shit. Jesus Christ.
I'm 5'5", but I say 5 foot nothing because it's just funny.
Nah, I've been meaning to take out the trash, Neil, and you kind of like, I gotta take a piss. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do my trash real quick. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I was about to say 5 foot. You
Still
small.
recording.
Hey, I'm just being straight up honest with what the fuck I'm saying.
Record all the stuff. Record all this one. If this is for legal reasons in the future, if anything does happen, just gonna let you know. Fuck it, we ball.
Shit. I moved up a tier.
Oh great! Look,
So,
finally got a.
are you recording like are you streaming on Twitch or like?
No, he YouTubes this shit, but then he doesn't let me have comments, so I give him shit for it.
What's your YouTube channel so I can rewatch this afterwards and just hear how we all sound on it and laugh like shit?
Neo
wanna hear my own voice.
2256. It's my name on everything.
Same.
Oh.
I put that hot sauce shit on everything. Red hot. I miss
Gotta see this shit.
I miss this commercial so much. Red hot.
Oh my god, Neo, stop touching my leg! Jesus Christ!
Listen. If you didn't like it, you would move.
Yeah, that's true. I do like me a
You
tall
enjoy
Wookiee.
him playing footsie.
You know, every now and then, you know, you gotta have yourself a Wookiee. Alright, okay, I'm ready to go, guys. Sorry. Had to deal with that shit real quick. I had some pork chops that, like, I took out, like, 2 weeks ago, and Mom's never cooked them, so I'm like, yeah, I need to throw those out.
Oh my god, cat. God damn.
Gosh, Neil said he went up, so I picked
Tier 6 now?
yeah.
Okay, we're moving to tier 6, so let me see what I got for tier 6.
Where'd my little chat window go?
Okay, he's still recording. Good for him. You know what? He's got tier 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got 2.
Okay, good. Then I'm gonna use my tier 7. Because I can go one tier on him.
Yeah, I'm going some anti-submarine ship right now. I love this ship.
The Uganda?
The Uganda.
The Uganda.
Free Harambe.
Harambe.
Come on, Neil, let's go.
Many have lost no. Some they.
I'm gonna have to ask Sparrow to make like a recording room so that way those people who don't just pop in randomly are like, hey, I'm recording. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
That first PvP fight, you could hear what's her face talking for a little while. She was upset. I was like, oh man. I can't
Yeah,
do
cut
anything.
that whole part, yeah.
All right, you ready, man?
Yeah, I've been ready.
Well, you haven't readied up yet, or are we not?
Oh, there we go.
Yep.
You're ready to enter battle.
Steve's not ready, but
One cruiser that doubles as an anti-submarine hunter.
I love how Neo is like in a tier 6 basic, and I'm just showing up with a tier 7 fully maxed out.
I was tempted to bring my other British battleship.
Yeah, I barely have
No,
shit.
I wanted to go up another tier so I can bring the Bismarck.
And Bismarck, he would get clapped. People hate it when they get put.
Like, I'm at a tier 7, yay! And I'm like, hey, guess what?
Yeah, you get fucking brought up to like 8, 9 because of it.
The best is like, oh shit, you have the max. I have God. It's like, oh, I didn't know that was an option. Well,
No, that's
now
when I
you
bring
do.
out, that's when I bring out Yamato. That's God.
I'm working on getting to.
Excuse me while I
In the
assault you with an
commercials,
entire.
they make it sound like it is God.
It can survive a lot, but if you're getting close to it, it can't really survive much. So, like in the beginning of the game, you just turn left and start firing. That's pretty much how you play the Yamato. But I mean, when you're insulting somebody with an entire Toyota fucking sales lot, you know what I mean?
Toyota sales lot. That's
You know,
great.
be fucked. You know, it's so fucked too. If you get your ass shit beat the fuck out of them and they roll up on you slowly and be like, hey, I know you just lost your boat. Can I offer you a vehicle instead? And just keep fucking sailing.
Well, I mean, the guns are so large in Yamato, you can't even use AP. You have to use HE the whole fucking match.
Go on.
Because otherwise, you just go through everything.
No, you can use AP. You just have a tendency of slapping everything when you hit hard. When you hit right.
Let's give them a hard time.
Yeah, the problem is most ships you go right through though.
I've been dick slapped senseless by that thing.
Yeah, they're using AP. They're not using AP. They're using HP, believe it or not.
Yeah, I was 100% AP. He said, "Swiggity swaggity, I'm coming for that baggity," and I said, "No, please be said. It's too late."
Fair enough.
One of these days, I'm gonna get the Musashi too, so I can have
Slow ass turret guns.
I think
for the pride of the Royal Navy.
Enemy force detected.
America.
America, fuck yeah. Come
Fucking
say the
King
motherfucking.
I'll help you out.
That puppet fucking movie will be one of the stupidest and greatest things ever. Just so stupid.
The problem is you can't make a movie like that nowadays. People would be so offended.
You could make that movie. It would not get published. It would fail.
What's that? The Happy Time Murders?
No, God, way worse than those.
Team Force America.
Yeah, Team Force America was a.
Team America, fuck yeah, I watched it the other day.
Yeah. So yeah, it was super satire with puppets. So like, it was hilarious.
Oh,
Like,
I've seen it. I've watched it. Like, I think it was brilliant. I wish they made another one.
Well, that's
Yeah,
the
you
they
make
asked
that.
the creator of Spaceballs if he was going to make another Spaceballs because he was going to do it, right? They had a bunch of news about it, and he said he's not going to do it because of the political climate. He's like, I can't make it without people being super.
yeah, you can't do anything with somebody
It's
being.
sucks. I think people just need to take a laugh and like let loose a little, because at the end of the day, it's just puppets and just fun. And they really are.
Enemy cruiser sighted. Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
Well, I hit that destroyer.
Listen, I didn't hit a destroyer, but I destroyed hers.
I'm going to destroy her later tonight.
You should.
Guys, comes.
Still streaming.
Oh yeah, I forgot. My bad.
That's still stream legal. didn't say anything wrong or bad. If you want to say
YouTube
something,
friendly,
that,
YouTube friendly, YouTube friendly.
yeah, it's still YouTube friendly. I mean, I gotta say something that's not YouTube friendly, and then you have to sound like a good chunk of a.
Now, guys, we can't get Neo canceled our first time on. Okay, we gotta wait for
You
at least
couldn't
a
get
week.
you couldn't get canceled that fast, especially recording. You're fine. It's easier to like, oh, look at the blank. He said this. Let me just cut that out, right? Now, if you're streaming, it's
Torpedoes,
much
direct
harder.
front.
Like,
What
you
are
get
those
banned so
blanks?
fast. Lots of things.
I tried.
I can't say those things on certain
Honor
areas.
returning to ship.
I tried.
Damn, everything's coming to this side.
I don't
That's
know
the
why.
one-
Because there's a YouTuber I follow called
Hi, my Neko.
Andrew.
We love you.
Hi, Pepe. I love you too. Did you eat
There was a
dinner?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, damn. Okay.
Why?
That's fun.
I
Never
just
mind.
finished my last 10 piece. It was very tasty.
Enemy submarine.
God damn it! I need to go. Neo, where the fuck are you?
Right here with you guys. What the fuck you mean?
You
Where
gotta
are
see
you?
how I'm
Oh,
on
you guys are-
fire.
Torpedoes to starboard.
There's a YouTuber that I used to follow called Andrew, and I'm not joking. He would drink on his YouTube live, swear, like beyond he'll talk about stuff that I don't even think was meant to be on YouTube, and he's still on it. I don't even know how. And he's like,
They just canceled my favorite, one of my favorite couple of YouTubers that Carol used to watch all the time.
Oh,
recently.
talking about
MXR.
MXR.
They got rid of
Yeah.
Yeah, they killed MXR.
Yeah.
I saw about that. I was actually really sad.
I love them too.
Neo, get over here and spray water on my ship.
well, Andrew like drinks on his lives, and he's actually a paranormal investigator. So his YouTube videos are like paranormal based. But when he does his lives on YouTube, he's drinking, swearing, smoking, you name it, he does it, quite literally. And he's been up for years, and I don't even know how YouTube are letting him get away with it, because he's had so many complaints, like not being funny.
You're making enough money.
He's not making that much, to be fair.
I know if you're making enough money, you get a hard pass.
Yep.
Like
He's
movie
actually
streamers,
not.
they get away with so much shit. Like
Neo, you think you're getting pounded? Have you seen my ship?
I don't know idea if he's not making that much money.
Poor Neo.
Nah, he does like live. Well, he does live paranormal videos, like exploring and stuff like that. But he's not making that much money from it. He even says like he's struggling, like, but like I don't think he's struggling in like the way like he's trying to make out and struggling. I think he's struggling getting the views now because like his views dropped because he said something really bad.
Oh
Okay,
shit.
one
And I
thing.
was
That's a fucking Sharn horse.
Can't be worse than PewDiePie saying the N-word on YouTube. That was
oh my god.
Has he?
Yeah, there's an
Wow.
instance where he was playing PUBG, and he just goes off, right? And oh, people lost their shit over it.
Oh, I can imagine.
Alright, yeah.
He got brushed under as much because, like, in his culture, it's not as, you know, seen as bad as on ours, but still, people lost their shit for a while.
Well, yeah.
I think as well, like, YouTubers kind of in the way when they're gaming forget they're like streaming because they're so engrossed in the game.
Fuck you, asshole. You're trying to ping me. I see that.
Yeah,
I don't know where you're
Ping.
at, but I see you. That bad me that fool.
I love you too.
Me run away now.
I'm going out of town tomorrow
What? Why?
for a bit.
Why? My.
I was one of my homeworks, remember?
You what, Hama?
It was one of my homeworks to do.
Oh, yeah. Do I get to give you come back, though? Do I give you a key?
Yeah, so I'll be home around like 4 or 5-ish tomorrow.
Okay.
Really? So you're leaving me tomorrow, Sissy? Thanks.
Oh my god, of the torpedoes.
Watch out.
Go and have fun tomorrow, Sissy. Go.
Hmm.
She's trading me in. It's all good.
Ah, I hit him.
Not trading
Her
you
new, her
in.
new boyfriend's coming around, you know. His name's
No.
Jack. She really likes him.
Oh, listen to him. Oh my god, shrimp.
So it's been an hour.
1 week since you looked at me.
Smacked him again.
He's dead.
No, that sub is still alive.
Where is that stuff?
He's right about here. Okay, we saw where my ping is. Oh, I hit him again.
Are we going to this memorial thing tomorrow?
What's worse is I'm pretty sure he's stuck.
Downright stuff.
You talking to me, baby?
Yeah.
We are recording it, so just be careful.
Oh.
Spotter returning to
Yeah.
ship.
What?
What?
Hold on.
Just gonna.
Be right back.
What? The fuck?
Dude, he's close by, but I can't see him.
He's partially submerged. Ow.
Direct front. Torpedoes, direct front.
Oh, the carrier's
Torpedoes to
behind
starboard.
behind the island to my front. Left, your front left. He also is trying very hard to hit me. There he is. He's running. There he is.
See him?
All requesting fire on the designated target.
Ooh, I got a piece of him. He died. Oh no,
Torpedoes to starboard.
torpedoes!
Oh, you're right behind me. Run, Neo, run.
Torpedoes to starboard.
I can't do shit.
Evasive maneuvers. Evasive maneuvers.
Ah, come on. No. Oh, I got away with it.
Did they despawn? Did they despawn?
Torpedoes to starboard.
We're all going after the same
Oh, you-
cruiser.
You got so lucky, Neo. Ah, so he is to our left. Oops, sorry, Ash.
The hell was that?
We got a DD to our left. A hard left.
Who just died?
Ash.
Ash did?
Yeah, Ash died.
Well, he didn't even say anything.
I don't know what's happening.
He's not here.
Oh.
I guarantee you, there's a DD to our left. Oh. Dude, we're the only people left alive.
Yeah.
Watch out, carriers. Dropping torpedoes on us.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Ah!
Torpedoes to port. Torpedoes
Oh
to port.
shit. Oh no.
Torpedoes
Yeah,
to
we
port.
literally we got a DD to our left, and the carrier just looks somewhere to our right. There he is. Come on, shoot, shoot.
Those bombers are annoying.
The ship is on fire.
Very much trying.
There he is. Way over there.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
No, I had him zeroed in. The second he started shooting, he fucking slapped
The
him.
enemy team has taken the lead.
Hello.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Hello.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Yeah, we're pretty much screwed this match.
Oh yeah. Holy crap.
Oh, I'm the only one left alive? I'm definitely gonna die.
Yeah, you're the last one. Battleship DD2, right?
Spotter returning to ship. Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Carry us.
Torpedoes to port. Torpedoes, dead ahead. The ship is on fire.
You lived.
Yeah, ran out of time, I guess.
Well, that didn't go well.
Yeah, no, literally, like freaking. DD got to our left.
You see, I charged in. I'm like, yeah, I got this. Oh no, I do not have this. Damn, super container.
I did not know I was gonna win at all. I mean, survive.
Yeah, I already thought that you were dead.
Yeah, ran out the timer while in combat.
Yep.
Combat.
All right, Amelia, you ready?
Nope.
I'm bringing your sister ship.
I'm bringing the fucking fire, bitches.
Fire. Fine.
Oh, hey, Kriya. Fucking PSO got brought up today.
Oh?
Yeah, I guess Nat and Sean are gonna try to play it, so. But they don't know anything about it, so you might want to poke them about it if you get time.
Okay.
Because you know all about the old PSO. Well, you played it.
Welcome back.
Alright, let's do this shit. Try to rain fire on my enemies.
Battle starts.
Why does it always put us in the middle?
Because we're battleships.
Bitch.
Awaiting instructions.
No, dude, we got a carrier too.
Don't fire at your allies.
Yeah, so we're left or right. No. Here comes the plane. Prepare yourself.
Oh, I ain't worried about it. I got an anti-aircraft, dude.
Yeah. Oh, the return of mom.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
This thing's like a floating fortress. Are you kidding me? Fuck your planes, bitch!
Down the crows.
Why don't you come a little closer? I'll shoot the rest of them down.
Where the hell are y'all going?
I don't know. I'm following Milo.
I was following you because you're the cruiser.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Yeah, I got that on record.
At least in this game, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, and Eve, it's a little different. And even then, I'm still kind of winging it.
My speed
And
boost
I'm still
activated
kind of
now.
winging it.
I'm not faster than Nash. Look.
But I fire faster than you.
Yeah. I think you also have torpedoes, don't you?
Also, I have a really short range.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Yeah, I can't hit anything yet.
I think I have like a 12 to 10 kilometer range. You know, it's not a very long range.
I love the fact that when I shoot,
Enemy destroyer sighted.
there's this.
Yeah, but yours gets better.
Mine's 16.5. Rain.
Alright.
Oh,
Attention.
come on.
Reporting the target position.
Hey, baby.
Oh, you're gonna beat yourself?
No.
It's very close.
No.
Though. He did.
Oh, he just beached himself.
I'm playing World of Warships.
Incoming.
Okay, baby. Okay.
ED.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
I love you. What's in your hair? Oh, it's a band. You look so fucking cute. Pretty ass woman. I love you too, baby. Okay, baby.
Fucking Christ!
Holy shit.
God damn.
I got hit by two
The enemy
battleships at the
team
same
is taking
time.
the lead.
so fine. Oh shit.
And Neo wasn't there to help me. That motherfucker left me to die.
Where's he hitting?
Did you hang up? Yeah. Alright, backing up.
Yeah, he left me to die. I'm dead already.
Really?
Left me on the gate again, motherfucker.
I did not leave you on the gate. I've been approaching
You left me on the
fight.
gate.
I did not leave you on the gate.
You left me on the gate.
Why do we have this conversation every time you die?
Because every time you leave me on the gate.
I did not leave you on the gates. We're not even in Eve. Sunk that bitch.
Enemy battleship sunk.
Couldn't have sunk him a couple minutes earlier. Jesus Christ.
Well, you know, else we're
Nah,
going.
dude, I got alpha strike by 2 battleships, man.
Oh, damn. I think they're shooting at me. Oh, they are shooting at me.
Not Fuso, it's just straight up broadside.
Enemy cruiser detected. Enemy battleship sighted.
Put a hurting on him. Hilo, you gonna go for that ass or what?
Honey, there's a sub as well.
You trying to dodge some torpedoes?
Trying to dodge
It looks
torpedoes
close.
while dodging other torpedoes, while also getting slapped by a fucking.
Oh, damn, they're throwing a lot of torpedoes at you.
It's torpedoes plus Fuso AP.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Oh, that motherfucking submarine.
Oh, he's aiming for me again.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
No, he is.
Torpedoes, direct front. Torpedoes, direct front.
Killed his
Enemy
ass.
submarine destroyed.
Oh, damn. You're almost dead.
Oh god, thank god they fell short.
Torpedoes, astern.
Oh my god, I'm still alive.
Enemy battleship sighted. Enemy cruiser detected.
The ship is on fire.
Enemy battleship detected.
Torpedoes to port. Problem solved, sir. We're hull below the waterline. We're flooding quickly.
God damn it. Fucking
The
torpedoes.
ship is on fire.
Yeah, dude, they're literally like everything on the metal.
Enemy cruiser detected.
Hold on, Neil. I think our cat needs help.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Oh, damn. I'm about fucking dead.
Spotter returning to ship.
Another fire on the Fuso.
I think I hit in the head with something.
The ship is on fire.
I'm almost dead, dude.
Oh, I got the Fuso. Live, Neil, live.
Problem solved, sir.
Enemy cruiser detected.
The ship is on fire.
How you doing there, Milo?
Problem solved, sir.
Kicking
How
ass,
you doing
kicking
there?
names, chewing bubblegum.
Chewing bubblegum?
Yeah, I'm chewing bubblegum. Except I'm more bubblegum.
Oh, you're dead.
Yep, I got barrel offensive.
Enemy battleship detected.
God damn it.
We're doing pretty good actually, though. So just survive. I don't know if you want to swing towards their cap. What if my point is that carrier is like spending all of its squadrons on attacking us?
Ship is on fire. Spotter airborne. Problem solved, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Sparrow broke yourself by the looks of things.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
Huh?
God, dude. That carrier is getting on my nerves.
Yeah, he's like, I don't know, it's funny.
Hello? What is going on? Hang on.
He's got fucking fighters everywhere.
Did I break? There you go.
I have seen Booba. Or Neo. Neo's trying to record, and I'm just over here saying weird shit.
Well, it is your birthday.
Oh, hey, Cree.
Oh, baby.
So Nat was the one that was gonna play with that, by the way.
Spotter returning to ship.
Was gonna play PSO.
Oh.
No, I'm good, baby.
Baby.
No sugar, please. No sugar. No, no sugar.
And baby.
Problem solved, sir.
No sugar.
Oh, no, stop it. Sissy, stop
Pepe,
it.
you need to be careful too, because remember, you told me long ago what you say to me.
I know.
I know, and I'm not being an asshole.
I know.
Oh.
Okay, anyway.
But it's not Hella.
Cree, Nat and Sean are gonna start playing PSO. Probably,
there's
most
more
likely. No, not ESO, PSO.
Oh, PSO.
Did you get rid of that backpack yet?
Oh, yeah, I read it.
Alright, about
At
time.
the big house?
Are you sure, or did you just left it where you tossed it last night?
It's hidden, don't worry.
Oh.
I just worried about a kid coming across it, bro.
Damn, dude.
You about to get fucked up. Say goodnight, Neo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm fixing to die from fire.
So,
I clapped the fucking shoulder
Baby.
before I died.
when do you want to do movies?
Straight up Citadel this shit.
What's up, little man?
Oh, god damn.
When do you want to do the movies?
Later tonight. We say about 10:30 for the other thing.
Oh, yeah, don't we still don't we all still need to watch
I was going to say 11 for the other thing.
Okay, yeah. 11's fine. 11's fine. Alright, and then we'll just move a couple movies, I guess, if you want, whenever. I mean, I'm just playing Warships with Neo. 'Cause, I was playing Wukong, but then Neo's like, hey, I'm on Warships.
Yeah, and I'm
Like, he just can't ask me to play Warships with him. He's gotta be like, hey, I'm on Warships.
I gotta be subtle about it. I gotta
Well,
play coy.
you play what you want to play. You have
He's playing with his
Yeah,
boyfriend right now.
he just wants me to come back with that Chinese food.
Aircraft fire support.
Yeah, Milo, his boyfriend. His boyfriend.
Yeah,
Neo, you and your boyfriend need to involve that girlfriend of yours.
Hey.
Yeah, hey, I could send him some more, more
No,
pictures.
you can't because she
Pictures
has
I send him.
another cell phone that has
Oh,
all my shit on
it's
it.
just not.
so
We're going that far?
anything you send me, she
Yeah.
gets. I have a secondary cell phone that she has. So everything you send me, she gets it too.
Oh,
wait,
what?
what?
I'm gonna send him all the stuff.
Wait, what? Why?
She was planning on getting minutes on it,
Because
but I
he's
guess
got
Why
a young
did you-
Gary for a girlfriend.
I guess her mom didn't put minutes on it yet because she hadn't given it back.
He's got a yandere for a girlfriend.
I'm
Like that's
sorry.
really what it comes down to.
Are you still streaming?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll talk about this later.
You're still streaming. Yeah, we're having this conversation.
That's funny.
Wouldn't be the first time. Probably won't be the last. Okay, so it's my birthday. I'm planning on having some ice cream.
Happy birthday.
Do it.
Matt.
You
That was a
should.
great battle.
I mean, you know, the sugar's probably gonna kill me, but it's all good.
Do you get a cupcake or anything?
Got him. He quit.
Nope, didn't get any of that. I did. Oh well, Amanda did get me something nice, but I haven't tried it yet, and I'm a little leery about it.
What's it?
Peanut butter pie cake.
Oh,
Let me
that's so
that sounds
fucking
super
nice.
healthy.
Let me see.